everybody. It's a very windy day in Southern California today. Wind gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour and a constant wind of about 14 to 18 miles per hour. I almost got killed by a tumbleweed a little while ago and got caught in a dust storm. That was interesting. We're just out for a little drive. Thought I'd bring you along. Hope you guys are having a good day. Oops. If you hear clicking, that's my little angel. I just tried to stop her and smashed her into my phone. Can you hear the wind? Start trimming these trees, don't they? They're getting a little out of hand. Horse and cows over to the left. A couple bulls. I call this our patchwork street because all the patches, it looks like a little patchwork quilt. It's cloudy today and it's 58 degrees. Santa Ana winds, but it actually is pleasant outside, even though it's a little breezy. It's not too bad outside, really. Good thing is we've had so much rain. I don't think we're at a big fire risk because of the Santa Ana winds, which is good. What the hell was that? That was a strange sound. Top of the hill here so we can turn around and look at the valley, see how dusty it looks, if it does at all. It might not. The area I just drove through was super dusty and had tumbleweeds rolling through. That's how I almost got killed by a tumbleweed. It was probably, I don't know, if I had to guess, it was probably 4 feet tall and probably 5 feet wide. It was a big one. But I avoided it. The creek is dry almost, a little bit of a trickle. First, and then I'll take you back down the other way. And we'll go down over where the creek goes over the street, which should be dry from the looks of the creek, so we should be able to drive over it today. Cemeteries to your left. I've made videos on that cemetery. Could go back in sometime and make some more, but I've made a couple videos on the cemetery. And we're just going to go up here, turn around, take a look at the valley down below us and see what it looks like. stand by. That's what it looks like today. You can see it's kind of hazy out there. It's probably all dust blowing around. Laurel Cemetery now is on your right. Don't know if you can see it or not. And we're going to go back over the bridge and hang a left. It's a beautiful house. Go left here. Let's go left here. We're gonna go left on Hayes. Let's go take a look at this. Just took the puppy to the vet, get her mouth checked after her tooth removal. And they said it looks good. She still has some sutures. And to keep her on her wet kibble for at least another week, and then start introducing dry kibble and see if she can eat it or not with only one tooth. I think she'll be fine, but we'll see. We'll take it slow and see. She's doing good. I don't know what she weighed today. Let's take a look. 9.4 pounds today. And the gate is open because the creek is almost dry. Oh, there is some water going across the street, but not to worry. It's very little. It is flowing though. Can you see it? Probably just opened it today, I'll bet. It's been closed for a while because of all the rain we've had. There's the mill to your right, Kia Milling. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. We'd love to have you along on our journeys. And we'll see you in the next video.